飛び出したくて風に乗り向こう側へ夢に描いた未来は
Good evening, Miss Ayu and friends. Permission, introduce myself. My name is Ray Krishna Ditya, NPM 213200228P, Program Study Nursing Science. Okay, I will describe her about water. Water is a substance that is needed by living things, both human, animals, and plants. Humans need water to drink and facilitate their activities. Keep in mind that the human body is made up of 85% water, so it will become dehydrated if there is a lack of water. Animals need water to drink. Some also need water for their habitat, while plants also need water for photosynthesis and a place to live. Water available on Earth reaches 1/3 of the total land area. However, have we ever realized that the water supply on Earth is all clean and suitable for consumption? Of course not. There are many things that cause water pollution, one of which is due to human activity. Humans carry out activity that cause water pollution. Among them, the disposal of industrial waste into rivers or the sea without going through the filtration process, felling trees, and throwing garbage in the river. Article 2015. Disposal of industrial waste into rivers or into the sea without going through filtration can have fatal impact. Today, many factory owners are willing to set up factories without thinking about how to properly dispose of waste. In fact, the government has recommended to treat waste properly when asked for a permit to build a factory in an area. There are many of the factory owners who think if the waste is just dumped into the river or into the sea and their job is done. According to the people who dispose of waste illegally, regulating the waste to be disposed of by filtering will only increase costs in the production process because the equipment used for filtration is not a cheap tool. Although the cost is cheap, it will still make more expense. Not to mention if the production costs incurred are very large. Meanwhile, profits are still small. Even that still does not include the cost that will be lost when experiencing a loss. In addition, the time in the waste filtration process takes a long time. There is a process lane. This will hamper the performance of employees in the factory. If you have to end employees, it will add more cost. Thus, the disposal of waste by the filtration process will only waste time and money. These substances are divided into organic substance and organic substance. The water on Earth needs to be protected. Have you even thought for a moment if in the future there is no water? Have you even thought for a moment if in the future there is no water? Or is there water but if those have a decent quality which will overwhelm future generations? They lack water in some even because there is no water. They cannot grow optimal, thin, dry, even some organs that can function properly. Therefore, let's love your earth today. Keeping the water clean is our job. If not us, who else? Thanks for watching, Miss and friends. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
手に入れてもなくしても気づ